So, Tamkeen Solutions is a social enterprise. To understand what is social enterprise, especially understanding what is social enterprise is, should I speak without the mic? Will I be audible? Yeah? Understanding what is social enterprise, especially for Muslims as a community, is extremely important. And for Indians also, it is a great idea for us to understand what social entrepreneurship is. Is English comfortable or should I speak in Hindi, Telugu? Telugu. Okay. I will mix up. Okay. Mixing chesi maatladtam. Ippudu social enterprise ఏంటంటే imagine two friends. వాళ్ళు MBA పాస్ చేశారు అనుకో. One of them is Amer, another is Sohail. Amer ఏం చేస్తాడు? చాలా clever మనిషి అన్నమాట. He goes back to his room and he sees all the books from childhood till now, education over. All these books are lying there. What to do with the books? He gets a clever idea. What he does, he opens some books he sells off in second-hand market. Some books he opens a library, right? And there he is charging people to borrow the books. At the end of 1 year, by using what he already had, he set up a business and he is making money out of it. So at the end of 1 year, he has almost recovered half of whatever he had spent on purchasing the books. Very clever thing to do. Now, this other guy, Sohail, gets another idea. He does a couple of things with his books. First, he takes out the covers of the books and he makes them, because they are hard, he uses them to make paper bags through self-help groups. And by selling that paper bags, a lot of people make some money. Then he uses the inside pages to make some toys through some other self-help group. By selling the toys, some more people make money. Some other books he contributes, donates to government school. He starts a government school library. Because of that, a lot of people start getting benefited from the books. At the end of 1 year, he has also made some money. Not as much as our earlier friend. Some money he has also made. Now, which is a better idea? Which is a more effective usage of a resource one had? Obviously, the second guy, what he is doing, is a better approach. That is a social enterprise. If we have social enterprises, India is a big country with numerous problems. Now, how do we solve those problems? If we expect the government to solve all our problems, we will not make much progress. Everybody who is having intellect, should apply that intellect. Everybody who is having resources should deploy those resources in a judicious way to benefit oneself and the society. When we have that kind of an enterprise, that is a social enterprise. Having defined what a social enterprise is, Tamkeen is a social enterprise. What is the opportunity here for Tamkeen? Ikkada unna opportunity enti? Bahrain lo chaala mandi Muslims valla shraddha valla gorrelu pottelu kontaru. Now, ఆ కొనడానికి మన పద్ధతి ఏంటి? Until 5 years back, I was also one of those people. నా పద్ధతి ఏంటి? I would go to the market one night before. Why will I go one night before? Because I expect the prices to drop one night before. Right? So I will get sheep at low price. That's one advantage. And I am looking for a good quality sheep. Why? Because I am giving this sheep for my God. To please my God. I want God to be pleased with me. That's why I am sacrificing this animal. Beyond these two thoughts, there is no third thought. But when I constantly look at the problems of poverty that we are facing, especially in our villages, where there are no livelihoods, there are no good education systems, and numerous other problems, one asks oneself, how can we solve this problem? How to solve it? Obviously, you need money. These sheep that we are purchasing are coming from somewhere. They are being grown by somebody.